Hello. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Cricket Panchayat. We are back again, and we are back with the post-series summary of the India Sri Lanka tour. I know we're all in the middle of the Olympics, and it's sort of been a bittersweet one for Indians. But we are about to talk. We're here to talk about another heartbreak, which was the Sri Lanka tour. I have obviously I've got Vidhi and I've got Reddy with me today. You've obviously seen them, but we have a new member on the panel. Please allow me to welcome Rahul. Hi Rahul, it's great to have you on the show here. Right, we're very excited to speak with you about cricket and about everything else around it. But this is a small thing, a small ritual that we do for every new member that joins the podcast. This is almost like taking you back to hostel. Intro de do apna. So basically, if you can just very briefly talk about yourself, how big of a cricket fan are you? Any favorite players that we can use later to roast you? Yes, Rahul.
No, I think as the name suggests, I'm huge fan of Rahul Dravid. Right? I used to watch every defensive shot of his, whether it was Adelaide or Napier or whichever test it was, and his defense was something I used to love. So not much that you can roast about that.
Yeah.
But I think the favorite memory for me, I was in the same hostel as Kush and Reddy, and
Right.
in BMS hostel, I was a huge CSK fan,
Oh.
and there was RCB fan, and I remember a match, especially where Wayne Bravo hit a six of the last ball, and I remember
Yeah,
taking out the
Yeah.
T-shirt and
Yeah.
rolling it out. So
Yeah.
just the hostel life,
Full
right? I
toss.
think huge
Full
cricket
toss
fan.
yeah.
chakka.
We
Yeah.
will
Full
talk about
toss
the
chakka, right?
stories.
Yes, and but otherwise a huge test fan, right? As of now,
Great.
I follow test match to the dot, 90 overs. आजकल 90 ओवर्स हो भी जाता है इंडिया में तो
हो भी जाता
that
है यार, हाँ, इंडिया में नहीं हर जगह हो जाता है आजकल. ग्रेट टू हैव यू with us, Rahul. We'll not waste any more time. We'll quickly dive into what we want to talk about. We are here to talk about the India Sri Lanka series. It's been the T20 series was decent. I would say we sort of managed to come back from difficult situations. Ideally, we should not have been let by Sri Lanka to do that, but they obviously choked in the T20 series. And then we're gonna also in the next episode talk about the ODI heartbreak as well. As we do on the podcast, the new person on the panel basically starts off. We put you right, right in the deep water, right? So, Rahul, just quickly, if you can just summarize the T20 series for me, what you thought were the things that stood out, and if there are any players or star performers that you want to talk about.
I think three key points. I think one, I think, was the collapses by Sri Lankan
Correct.
people. I think 30 runs for 9 wickets first match,
Yeah.
31 for 7, and then ending up with
Yeah.
29 for 7. So they
Right.
essentially kept just demolishing themselves, right? That was, I think, the
Absolutely.
key element. The match one was, I think, the only match where I think Indian batting was very strong. They looked like they looked like they're just coming back from the World Cup champion tag, right? They
Right.
just were playing
Correct.
fantastic. And I think the second match was unfortunate for Sri Lanka. If I look at it from the perspective, rain was there, it became a shortened
Agreed.
match. It was a easy cameo driven match, right?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
the key in the third match, of course, was the Parag Washi partnership, right? That was a
Oh
big
yeah.
partnership.
Yeah.
And then
Oh
and
yeah.
then and then Rinku Surya, right? What about 4 wickets in the last, 4 wickets in the last 2 overs? Then Washington Sundar closing it out. So I think spinners
Yeah.
were the roast. By the end of it, you could see that the one day series was always going to be about spin, right? But I think the
Correct.
batting, Parag was a big success according to me. I think that's where Gambhir used him really well. Big plus. Other than that, I think it was probably always the spinners doing well, right? That according to me was the summary and the collapses, right? That was why India won at the end of the day. I think last point, I think the Sri Lankan openers were fantastic. They were the
Correct.
only
Correct.
stars. Right? Almost
Correct.
every
Correct.
match they looked like they were going to win it.
Every match
Yeah,
and the top three, not just the openers, but the top three.
Yeah,
You had
absolutely.
the top three firing pretty much in every T20 game. But I'll now talk about the Indian. I want to hear a little bit about the Indian batting performance in the T20 series, right? Vidhi, what did you? Who stood out for you? Like, who did you think? From the T20 series that you thought, yeah, man, these just carried on. Yeah, this is a good start.
Yeah, the first match though, I think Surya Kumar was my
Yeah,
batter, bro. Incredible. Matlab like the first match में as captain, he came and just he went bang bang.
yeah,
It
yeah.
was such a delight to watch him bat in that match. And I
Always
think
is.
Jaiswal and apna Gill also stitched up a good partnership in the first match. So I mean, I enjoyed watching them bat as well. And for down the order, thoda yaar, I expected a little bit more from Rinku in
Yes,
both the matches that he
yes,
batted in. थोड़ा
yes.
यार थोड़ा सा अंडरवेलमिंग परफॉर्मेंस रहा है उसका.
Yeah, yeah.
And I would like
Rinku's basically had that off time since the IPL, you know. IPL के बाद से थोड़ा सा बेचारे का ना यार टाइम खराब चल रहा है. You know, IPL में भी बहुत ज्यादा एक तो थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएट भी है. Anyways, KKR, they were too good. They were so good. The top order was so sort of strong that ज्यादा chances नहीं मिल रहे थे. Then World Cup में बेचारे के साथ जो हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है, मतलब anyways, we went on to win it, so no complaints from there. But and then even this season, even in the Sri Lanka series, you know, it hasn't sort of really clicked, right?
like
But हाँ,
I thought Afghanistan that he played T20 Afghanistan series जो उसने earlier this year he played really
हाँ,
well.
yeah,
So you expect a player like him to
correct,
play
correct,
well against a side like Sri Lanka, right?
right, right.
One upset was that. Second, after we won the series, I don't know why I'm complaining, but I just have to talk about Sanju Samson. Bro, I cannot, bro. How many chances? How many? Did he forget that Sri Lanka is not in India border? Or like, I mean,
यार
what
you know
is
what you know what I sometimes sympathize with him because बेचारे का क्या होता है ना वो हम अगर 12-15 मैच खेलते हैं तो उसको वो 2 मैच बोलते हैं कि तुम 2 मैच में जाओ 100 मारो और 100 नहीं मारोगे तो तुम ठीक है he had a horrible yeah no he had a horrible series. I'm not going to deny that, but just from a very generic point of view, right? Sometimes I feel for that guy. बेचारे ने 100 मारा साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ फिर ड्रॉप हो गया सीरीज में, राइट? तो यू नो थोड़ा चलता है उसके बाद, बट या very I'm a huge fan of the talent that Sanju Samson is. You know, I've
that I agree with. That I agree with. He's a great talent. He's very well known for his batting all throughout
yeah,
South of India. But
yeah,
the basis your IPL performance, you're taken in the team, and then you don't
yeah,
perform out of the chances
yeah,
that you're given. Then
yeah.
then he's dropped, and then you understand why he's dropped, right?
No, fair enough, fair enough. That's where a lot of fringe players in the past as well have suffered, you know, because we've always been so sort of strong in the batting department that any new player or any player that's sort of performing, you know, in domestic matches, for them to come in and really sort of cement their place, you have to perform every game. You can't lamba rope. We don't get a long rope anyways.
You can't afford to slack off and like
Correct.
because there are so many people standing to take your place, bro. You cannot
Absolutely.
slack off.
Absolutely.
तू जा मैं भाई तू वापस जा नहीं भाई बहुत बड़ा
ये
अमाउंट
स्कीम
है
तेरे
ना
लिए है ही नहीं
अरे
तुझे
अमाउंट
Absolutely. No, completely agree to that. बेचारे का टाइम खराब चल रहा है. I really hope he comes back because
भाई
जब वो खेलता है तब you know you gotta you just sit up and watch because some of the shots that he plays is you know fucking ridiculous. But अभी यार थोड़ा बैटर्स की बॉलिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं because यार रेड्डी मतलब क्या चल रहा है भाई? रिंकू बैटिंग तो कर नहीं रहा है, बॉलिंग बढ़िया कर रहा है. स्काई से बॉलिंग कर, स्काई खुद ही अपना बॉलिंग कर रहा है. व्हाट वर योर थॉट्स यार जब तू देख रहा था वो? व्हाट वर यू थिंकिंग?
ये लग रहा था कि एग्जीबिशन मैच चल रही है, गली क्रिकेट हो रहा है कि जिसको बॉलिंग आती है तू कर, आज मैं नहीं करेगा तू कर.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ
करेक्ट वो फुटबॉल में होता है ना, प्री सीजन फ्रेंडलीज होते हैं ना फुटबॉल में. आई डोंट नो इफ एनी ऑफ यू फॉलो, बट प्री सीजन फ्रेंडलीज होते हैं तो वहां पे बेसिकली आते हैं, चिल मारते हैं. वो यूएस जाते हैं, जापान जाते हैं टूर करने. बेसिकली फिटनेस के लिए होता है वो.
It basically felt like a play for a series just to happen.
हम्म,
I mean,
हाँ,
I totally started off with it. I mean, I expected that, and you know, majority did not have the thought of okay, इस time पे tune in करना है इंडिया श्रीलंका मैच के लिए.
हम्म.
The way it turned out, like, though,
Yeah.
let it be the exhibition kind of matches, let it be. But you know, the way India started looking at T20 is what got
Yeah.
attention overall.
Okay.
It's not just, I mean, we have started being attacking post the 2022 World Cup, say, but you know,
Hmm.
the aggressiveness in the bowling
started from the series, is what I feel. We have been too timid in an approach. Let's say two fast bowlers, three fast bowlers, and two spinners. That was our constant strategy in the T20s.
Template.
Yeah,
Correct. Correct.
template following. But now we are trying to, and I don't complain about it. And be it whoever it may be,
Hmm.
bowling, batting, जो भी
Hmm.
होता है, I'm happy that there's a change.
करेक्ट नो नो बिल्कुल यार बिल्कुल राहुल अगेन आई विल कम बैक टू यू इतने सारे we've seen so many weird combinations but what do you think is the future of T20 cricket अभी हमारा इंडिया का क्या future है T20s में do you think we have what it takes to win the next T20 World Cup and what were your first what was your first feel about Gautam Gambhir as a coach, because we were all excited, Gigi as a coach, what he's done for KKR, he's that, Gigi is that Iron Man, he gives those Iron Man feels. So what were your thoughts?
So I think Gautam Gambhir ke liye the easiest format is T20, right? For him, that is naturally coming to him, and he's got a team which will absolutely listen to him. He doesn't have to worry about seniors, juniors. The team is going to listen to him. So I think for him, that T20I format was where I saw him at his best. He was able to take the right decisions. Like Reddy mentioned, I think the use of all rounders was fantastic, and it also ensured that Surya could bowl Rinku, bowl himself as a turning point, because he was like, Gautam Gambhir would agree with that kind of a thought process. And I think the key for I think the key to Gambhir is how he can ensure that there's fearlessness in this team, but yet you are sensible sometimes, right? I think the third match was that format, right? Like, it was not a 200 pitch, but you need to know how to manage it. So maybe having those couple of players who can play that dual role. So that's where I think Gambhir was expert in that, right? Gambhir was never like, he was aggressive against spin, but he knew when to hold fort. Take any of those World Cup finals which he has won for India, that he knew what was the time to attack, defend. So I think that's the key for me. It's good start for him. And I think with the T20 team, I see the best future for him, right? Of all the three formats, that's the easy one for him. And I think he has the right resources, aggressive set of people, IPL ensuring that you have the right pool for him. And I think he has the right captain in Surya, right? I think he just has the right captain. Great.
बिल्कुल. I mean, he was Surya's first big believer, right? Anyway, so I think it's sort of poetic. You feel a little sad for Hardik Pandya sometimes, but ठीक है मतलब I think the coach should get his captain is what I feel. You can't really sort of मतलब sad होने से कुछ नहीं होता. At the end of the day, trophy जीतनी है. We all wanted to win everything with Virat Kohli, but at the end of the day, T20 World Cup Rohit Sharma से आया, and we're happy as a country. So as long as we're winning, it doesn't really matter to us.
मुझे बस जीतना है, आगे बढ़ना है.
And that's what I felt was I would say that was a summary of the T20 series, because we in parts I thought we were like क्या चल रहा है भाई ये this is not how we want to play, but at the end we won. So as long as we won, it doesn't all's good, all's well that ends well. But yeah, great catching up with you guys on the T20 for the T20 series. We'll be back with the one day summary, and we'll be back with reactions for what the one day series showed us. Until then, have a great time, folks. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.